Today I'm comparing two different types of materials of Gua Sha edge tool massager. One is made of jade, the other one is made of stainless steel. One is lighter, the other one is heavier. The question is, which one works better? They are extremely similar in shape. They have pretty much the exact same design. You can see the similarities. They're almost exactly the same size. But the stainless steel one is significantly heavier. The stainless steel one was cheaper. The stainless steel one was $6.99 and the jade one is $7.99. Not by a lot, but there's a slight difference. Weight wise, the jade one is 2.39 ounces and the stainless steel one is 3.07 ounces. It's much heavier than the jade. We'll start with massaging the forearm, which is a common area for tendinitis. I couldn't find the usual baby oil that I use, so I will use baby lotion instead. The major difference is that baby oil is oil-based and baby lotion is water-based. So I'll lather my arm, make it nice and smooth, start some massaging. Okay, so that's what it feels like. Okay, so I do feel a large difference. It almost feels like it's rougher, even though it's the exact same dull edge. The difference is obviously in the weight of the massager. It puts more weight into each stroke. And so you can get a deeper pressure out of each stroke. I would say because the jade is lighter, it is a bit easier to manipulate and easier on the fingers. The stainless steel one is not bad because it's not like it's super heavy. It's still a manageable, portable size, so it's not clunky. It's still relatively easy to manipulate, but it does go much deeper with very little pressure. And the jade one, you have to apply a bit more force to be able to create the same amount of pressure as the stainless steel. Personal preference, I would prefer the jade one, and I could see why this is a more popular type of massage tool is because of its lightweight. The stainless steel one is heavier. It's not always better when it comes to this type of manual therapy. After trying the two different types of massager on my neck and shoulder, I have concluded that the jade one is much more gentle on the neck and shoulder, and the stainless steel one is a bit more aggressive, much more pressure, probably because of the heavier weight. In terms of ease of use, they're about the same. It's just that the stainless steel one just start off with a much deeper pressure, while the jade one you can start with lighter pressure, and then if you needed more pressure you can just apply more force. However, understand that there is a limit to how much pressure you can apply given the lack of leverage when you massage your own neck and shoulder. So in that case, the stainless steel one will come in handy if you needed more pressure and you don't want to apply increased force to your hand. For the neck and shoulder, the stainless steel one is actually maybe easier on your hand, fingers, and joints if you were looking to do deeper pressure. who would benefit from each of these massagers. If you're looking to get more of a superficial light pressure massage, the Jade one is probably better for you. If you're looking to travel through a security checkpoint where there's metal detectors, the Jade one is probably better, so you wouldn't be stopped and checked for the metal massager. You know what's weird? Is that it kind of feels exactly the same on the face, even though it feels much different on my arm and on my neck and shoulder. On my face, it feels exactly the same, and this is very weird. Now, this is actually mind-blowing. I feel absolutely no difference between the two.